how to find and listen to phone conversation recorded calls on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, in here, tap on the More button, then tap on Settings. From the call settings page, go down and tap on Record Calls. In here, you'll be able to view all your recorded calls. So tap on Recorded Calls, and I have recorded 2 phone call conversations. So you can tap on it to have a listen. Here you can choose a media player to listen to your recorded calls. Here I can use voice recorder.
Hello? How are you? Hello?
And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.